just like usual, I am going to a drift event. My car is literally scraping right now. Oh, yeah, you hear that? Kind of being dumb. I didn't put my 17s back on because I didn't want to swap back and forth, so I'm gonna scrape all the way there. But you know what? Fuck it. Anyways, I got my two 17s in the back with brand new tires. Holy shit. I got two stockies with like half tread tires, and then I got two more 15s that are brand spanking new, and then I got the ones on the car that, you know, I can do a couple laps on. So I have a total of, I'm gonna say 6.5 wheels, all in this 240, all my tools. This thing is awesome. I'm glad I got a hatchback. But anyways, this is gonna be my 4th drift event. Should be pretty fun. It's hosted by Gig Motorsports. I almost didn't get in, actually, because they kind of got filled up real quick before I could, you know, apply. Anyways, I got in though. We're all good, and we're gonna fucking send it today. Alrighty, so we've been at Thompson Speedway for the past 25 minutes. I've never seen it like this. But anyways, we are in traffic. There is a massive line waiting to get in this place. I would show you guys behind me, but that requires me getting out of the car, and I don't want to do that. Anyways, yeah, I would say we have another 20 to 25 minutes of a wait before we get into the pits. This kind of sucks, but it is what it is.